Welcome back. In this workflow, the automation begins when a visitor submits the funnel form. After the form is submitted, the system automatically creates a contact inside GoHighLevel CRM. Starting with the trigger of this automation, the trigger is when a form is submitted. Which form? This particular form in the funnel. This is the form here in the funnel. So when this form is submitted, what is the next action? What is the first action in this automation? The first action is to remove all existing tag. Then after removing all existing tag, now you want to add another tag to it. You want to add this tag EF funnel form submitted. Now the next action here is you want to create an opportunity in a particular pipeline. You want to create an opportunity in pipeline stage, new lead in this pipeline, elevate flow sales pipeline. And you want to put the status to open. Now the next action is you want to assign the contact to a particular user in the organization. After that, you send a confirmation email to the contact telling them you've gotten their response from the form submitted. Now the next action is send an internal notification to the assigned user. Wait for 10 minutes. This is a delay. Wait for 10 minutes. Send a confirmation SMS to the contact. So the contact are getting two confirmation messages, one a confirmation email and confirmation SMS. Here is another delay. After sending this confirmation SMS, you want to wait for 24 hours. Now after waiting for 24 hours, now you've given a task to the user. Let me open this task here. You're telling the user to call the contact and follow up on their inquiry. And the task is due like at that very moment, is due now. Call this contact now and follow up on the form they submitted. Now the next action is you want to wait for 30 minutes and you update the opportunity in the pipeline stage engaged in the same pipeline, elevate flow sales pipeline, and with status open. So the opportunity is moving to the next pipeline stage, and the next pipeline stage is engaged. The next action is another delay, wait for 2 hours. Now you want to send an email with a booking link, an appointment scheduling email with the booking link to the contact. Here is the email the contact will be receiving. Now this is the email here, and the booking link is already inserted into this word here, HERE, the link. So when they click on this here, it brings them to this interface where it brings them to this calendar where they make an appointment, they book an appointment. They click on select and they fill in their details here. The next action in this automation, this is another delay. Wait, after sending the email, you want to wait for 24 hours. And now there is a condition. After waiting for 24 hours, we want to check if they opened that email and if they booked the appointment. If they booked the appointment, we want to add this tag to the contact, booked elevate flow call. If they did not book the appointment, you want to send them a reminder email with that same scheduling link inside the email. Now you want to wait for 3 days, another delay, and here is another condition. After sending this reminder email, we want to check, did they book the appointment? If yes, tag the contact booked elevate flow call. If no, update the opportunity in that same stage engaged, but we want to change the status to abandoned instead of opened. Now the next action here is we want to tag the contact with this tag, elevate flow on book list. You can use this tag to create a smart list and send them future marketing campaigns. Now, the last action in this automation is add tags to call contact. So you are telling the user, oh, call the contact, let us know, ask them why they haven't booked an appointment yet with the organization. In this project final video titled Appointment Booking Automation in GoHighLevel, I will show us how the system manages leads after they've scheduled an appointment. Thank you so much for watching. Bless.